Welcome back to my channel NJ Math World. Today I am here to solve Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board SSLC Model Question Paper 24-25 Part 1. So in this paper I am going to discuss the Model Question Paper 1 with a few questions. Part 1. Okay. So here we'll start with the question. The first main consists of four alternatives are given for each of the following questions. Incomplete statement. Choose the correct alternate and write the complete answer along with its alphabet of letter of alphabet. So here we have one mark question and 8 questions we have to attend. The first question is the HCF of 5 square into 2 and 2 square 2 to the power of 5 into 5. Find the HCF of the given number. So what is the HCF? HCF is nothing but lowest power of the given number. So here we have two numbers, so we will write that two number 2 and 5 for finding HCF. So HCF will be the first one is 2, which is the lowest power of 2, that is 1, and which is the lowest power of 5 in both, it is 1. So the answer will be 2 into 5. The next one is the sum of the n natural number. What is the sum of the n natural number formula? It is always n into n plus 1 by 2. So yeah, the next one is in a pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0, which of the following situation cannot arise? So we know this, that is, this is for intersecting lines. It is for intersecting lines. Condition for intersecting lines, which will give you exactly one solution. So the second one is parallel lines. They are the condition to satisfy it is a parallel line and it has no solutions. And the third one is it is for coincident coincident lines, condition for coincident line, and it will have infinite infinitely many solutions. So the answer is, which is not approximate, is the answer D. Then we have next one. The number of zeros of the polynomial y is equals to p of x is given in the graph is. So we have to just check how many points are there in the x-axis. That is 1, we have 2, and we have 3. So the number of zeros will be 3. That is option B. Then question number 5, we have x into x plus 2 is equals to 6 is a what type of equation? So we have to simplify this to get the equation. So it will be x into x plus 2 by equals 6. So if you multiply it as x square plus 2 into x will be 2x equals 6, which is the highest power of the variable. It is 2. Highest degree is 2. If the degree is 2, it is a quadratic equation. Then moving on to the next one, we have in the figure of the triangle PQR is similar to ABC. The pair of corresponding signs in the following will be. So we have to just check the corresponding lines. So if we take here, it is PQ, and it will be AB. Yeah, PQ and AB. It will be the first one. Then we have second one is PR and it will be PR and AC. We'll just check whether we have that answer. It is here, we can see. From here we can take it is PQ is PQ and AB. The second one will be PR and AC. And the third one is QR and BC. So yeah, the option is A because we don't have any other option in that. So yeah, seventh one is sin square A minus cos square A. We know the formula for cos square A minus sin square A equals cos 2A. So I'll just remove the minus sign here. If I remove minus sign out, it will become cos square A minus sin square A. That is nothing but minus of cos 2A. We have a formula for cos 2A is 2 cos square A minus 1. Taking the sign inside, multiplying the sign inside, it will become minus 2 cos square A plus 1. So we can rearrange and write that. It will become 1 minus 2 cos square A. That is your option B. Then moving with the next one, we have the sum of the probability of all the elementary events of the random experiment. The will be the sum of the probability should always be 1. That is option C. Then moving on to the second main, we have answered the following questions. 8 into 1, that means each question carries 1 mark. So here you have to find the value of B if the pair of linear equation is, they have given a pair of linear equation, that is 2x plus by equals 8. Then the other one is 2 into 2x plus 3y equals 16. So if I take this the other side, the second equation will come 2x plus 3y equals 16 by 2. That is nothing but 8. So now if you compare the equation 1 and equation 2, we can see that in place of b we have the answer as 3. So the b value will be 3. Then moving on and the next one, write the degree of the polynomial. So you have to find the degree of the variable, which is the highest degree. Here we have 1, here we have 2, and here we have 3. So which is the highest degree of variable x? It is 3. So the degree of the polynomial will be 3. Then sin a is equals to root 3 by 2 and cos a is equals to 1 by 2. Find the value of tan. So what is tan? Tan a is sin a by cos a. Sin a by cos a. So sin a is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. The fraction, if it goes up, it will become reciprocate. So it will become root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Then it will be answer will be root 3. So what is root 3? The tan a value is root 3. Then next one you have, write the empirical relation between the three measures of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. So we have a formula for this mean, median, and mode is mode equals 3 median minus 2 mean is the empirical relation between the mean, median, and mode. The next one is express the quadratic equation in a standard form. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? It is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So we have to convert this in the form of quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation will be x plus 1 divided by 2 equals 3 by x. Cross multiply. By cross multiplying we get x into x plus 1 equals 3 into 2. So it will be x into x will be x square plus x into 1 will be x. You have to just multiply equals 6. If you take 6 at the set, it will become x square plus x minus 6 equals 0. So this is the standard equation of the quadratic equation, standard form of the quadratic equation for the given question. Find the distance of the point at 6 comma 2 passing with the origin. We have a formula that will be x comma y equals 6 comma here. Whenever the point is passing through the origin, we have the formula x square plus y square, root of x square plus y square, that is root of 6 square plus 688 square. That will be 6 square will be 36, 8 square will be 64. That is nothing but a root of 100. The root 100 is nothing but it is 10. So at root 100 is 10 units. The distance will be 10 units. So yeah, moving with the next one, we have question number 15. Here it says 15. Question number 15 says, in the figure, triangle PQR is similar to triangle ROS and PQ is parallel to SR. Find if PQ is to RS is 1 is to 2. So PQ is 1 and RSR is 2. So yeah, based on this similarity, like similar triangle property, they have given triangle POQ is similar to triangle ROS. If it is triangle equal, and then they've given PQ ratio SR is 1 is to 2. So we know that by using the similar properties of triangle, we have we can write that PO PO by OS. Then OQ will be equal to OS. Then PQ will be equal to SR. So therefore PQ by OS will be 1 by 2. Then OS by OQ will be 2 by 1. So the ratio will be 2 is to 1. Then moving on the next one, we have the circumference of the circular base of a cylinder is 44. So C is circumference 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is 44. And we know the pi value, pi is 22 by 7. So we have r. So what will be r here? R will be, we can just take 22 ones are 22 twos are, and 2 and 2 cancel. R will be 7. So the value of r is 7. And its height is given as 10 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder, that will be 2 pi r into h. So 2 pi r is 44. 44 into 10 will be 440 centimeter square. So next one you have. So here 17th question is, prove that 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. So to prove this, it's a irrational number. Let us start solution. Let us assume let us assume that 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Then rational number is nothing but writing the in the p by q form. So 3 plus root 5 equals p by q, that a by b or a by b, where a and b are where a and b a and b are coprime number. Now we have root 3, we'll keep it as it is. We'll send this plus 3 other side, it will become a by b minus 3. By taking LCM, we get 5 equals a minus cross multiply. So 3 into b will be 3b divided by b. Now here a minus 3b by b is a rational. Is a rational number. If this is a rational number, then root 5 also should be rational, but root 5 is an irrational. irrational number. So a minus 3b by b is also an irrational number. That is, if it is a irrational number, our assumption is our assumption is wrong. What we have taken is wrong because we have taken it as rational number. Therefore, 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Hence, it is proof. So, question number 18. What is a composite number? Which is the composite number among 23 and 24? A composite number is a positive integer which has more than two factors. If the number is going more than one table, then it is called composite number. For here, so you have 23. 23 is a prime number, so that it has only one factor. It has only one factor, therefore it is not a composite number. Then if you take 24, 24 goes in 2, 2 into 12, then even it goes in 3, 3 into 8, 8 goes in 6, 6 into 4, and even it goes in 4 table, 4 into 6. So it goes in many, it has many factors, that is 24 has factors that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and etc. So it is a composite number. So 24 is a composite number. So yeah, moving with the next question you have. Next question is question number 19. Find this 21st term. Find the 21st term of an arithmetic progression. They have given the arithmetic progression as 5, 9 and 13. We have to find the 21st term. So here we have to find A12. Is question mark. So the first term is A 5. Common difference will be A2 minus A1. That is, this will be A1, this will be A2, this will be A3. So common difference will be A2, that is 9 minus 5, that will be 4. Then A12, A21, not 12, it is A21. A21 will be A plus 20D by using the standard form. By using the general form of arithmetic progression, we have A, A21 can be written as A plus 20D. So A is 5 plus 20 into D is 4. So it will be 5. 2 into 4 is 8, 80. So it will be 80 plus 5 will be 85. So A21 will be 85 is the answer. So yeah, moving with the next question we have here is question number 20. Solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. So it is yx plus y is 4, 2x plus y is 6. So elimination method means we should have same terms but different sign. We'll change the sign. So here, after changing the sign which is already there will get eliminated. Then it is plus y and minus y will get cancelled. 2 minus 1 will be 1x. 1x is nothing but x equals 6 minus 4 is 2. So the value of x will be 2. Then take any one equation to find the value of y. X plus y is equals to 4. X is 2 plus y equals 4. So y will be 4 minus 2. So y value will be 2. So the value of x is 2 and y is okay. So here if you want to verify, you can just write x plus y equals 4. So x is 2 and y is also 2. So if you write, that is 2 plus 2 is 4. We can just write 2 plus 2 equals 4. That means LHS is equals to RHS. Your equation, your answers are correct. LHS is equals to RHS. Hence it is verified. Then moving on to the next question we have is question number 21. In question number 21 we have, if the quadratic equation is ax square, if the quadratic equation is a x square plus bx plus 9 equals 0 has two equal real roots, then find the equation and find the value for b, which is b is less than 1. So yeah, to find the value of b is less than 1, we can take that as, we have the standard form of equation is a x square plus bx plus c equals 0. So here, if you compare, the value of a is 1 and b is b and c is 9. So we have a discriminant formula, that is delta b square minus 4ac. So here discriminant formula is b square is minus 4ac. So here discriminant value will be 0 if the roots are equal and real. So yeah, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, comparing the equation 1 and 2. So now substitute the values, and what we have to find? We have to find the value of b. So yeah, if it is b square minus 4ac, that will be b square will be equal to 4ac. Minus goes other side, become plus. So b square will be 4 into a is 1 and c is also, c is 9. So it will be 36. So b square is 36. So b will be plus or minus 6. They are asking you the b value should be less than 1. So the b value will be minus 6. Will be the answer for the given question. Next one you have, the next question is, find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining the point A and B in the ratio 3 is to 1 internally. So A value is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2, and m is to n is the ratio which is given 3 into 1, 3 is to 1, and internally means we have a formula x comma y, for the coordinate of P, x comma y will be m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n, n plus n. So substituting the values, we get m is 3 and x2 is 8 plus n is 1, x1 is 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Then yeah, m is 3, y2 is 5 plus n is 1 and y1 is minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1. So yeah, we have 8 into 3 is 24, 24 plus 1 divided by 4 is 3 into 5 is 15 minus 3 divided by 4. So it will be 25 by 4, comma 12 by 2, 12 by 4. So it goes here, that will be 25 by 4, and here 12 one time 12, 3 is 4 ones are 4 3 is 12. So the answer is 3. So the point is, the coordinate is 24 by 25 by 4 and comma 3 is the required coordinate. Question number 23 is, in the figure xy is a tangent, xy is a tangent at a point P to a circle with the center O. Q is a point on xy, so that OQ is greater than OP. So here OP is the radius of the circle. So here we can see that OP is perpendicular to XY. Since it is perpendicular to the XY at the point P, at P, we can use the Pythagoras theorem, that is 90 degree. We can use Pythagoras theorem, which gives a statement, hypotenuse square equals opposite square plus adjacent square. So here, if you take this as theta, this will be opposite, this will be hypotenuse, and this will be adjacent. So by using the formula, we can write that as OQ square will be equal to OP square plus PQ square. So here from here we can see that OQ OQ is greater than OP because OQ is the sum of OP and PQ. Therefore, we can write that OQ will be greater than OP. Hence, it is proved. Then moving on to the next question. The next question is a toy is in the form of a cone. Toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on the hemisphere of a same radius. The height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of a toy. So here they have given it is a toy which is kept mounted on the hemisphere and the radius of the toy and is equal to the hemisphere and we should know that radius and the height of the hemisphere will be same, that will be 3.5 centimeter for the hemisphere. Radius and height of the hemisphere will be same. Then here we have they've given height is here. We have to find the height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Then radius is 3.5 and the height of the cone. What will be height of the cone? Height of the cone will be 15.5 minus 15 point minus 3.5, that will be 12 12 centimeter. So now we have to find the slant height. Slant height will be this one. Slant height L will be root of r square plus h square. R square is the radius and h is the height of the cone, that is 12 we got. So here it will be slant height, that will be r will be 3.5 square plus h is 12 square. So if you square them we get 3.5 square is 12.25 plus 12 square is 144. So when you add this both we get a root of 156.25. So we have to find the square root of this. We have two methods of finding square root. Square root finding a square root. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. If you have 5 that is odd, when you count the number and the number is odd, we have to select only one digit. So we'll take the nearest square root of 1. So it will be 1 ones are 1. So inside we have to subtract and outside we have to add the same number. So 1 plus 1 will be 2 and here 1 minus 1 will be 0. So for square number, finding square number, we have to carry the next two digit in the down place, that will be 56. So here we have next one we can take it as is we have to take this number 2 and we have to multiply with the same number twice, that is for square. That if I take 2 and 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, it will be 44. If I take 3 and 3, 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6, it is more. So we'll take for this. We go for here 2 we should write here and one more 2 we should write here. So it will be 44. So we have to subtract inside. It will be 6 minus 4 will be 2. 5 minus 1 4 will be 1. And whatever we wrote just now, we have to write that and add it outside. That will become 24. And here this decimal will carry up and this 2 digit will take it down. As I said you, we have to carry 2 digits at a time in a finding square for number. So here we have 24 and here it is 1225. So we'll just take the number and multiply because it is 5. Here we will just try with the 5 table. So it will be 5 into 5. So it will be 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 will be 22. So it will be 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12. So we got it. It is 5 into 5 will be 1225. So the square root of this number is 12.5. That will be your slant height. That will be centimeter. Now they are asking you to find the total surface area. Total surface area of a toy of the toy. What will be total surface area of a toy? It will be curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of a hemisphere. Because the figure is having two different shapes, that is cone and sphere. So yeah, curved surface area of a cone formula is pi r l, and curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So what is common in both? We'll take pi r common. So it will be L plus 2r. So now substituting the values, we get pi is 22 by 7, r is 3.5, then L is 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5. So yeah, we get, here we can cancel this, it will be 0.5. 22 into 5 is 11, 110. It will be 22 into 0.5 will be 110 point after one decimal, so that will be 11. 11 into 12.5, 12.5 plus 3.5 into 2 is 3.5 into 2 will be 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 will be 7, point after one number, so it will be 7. So yeah, 11 into 12 plus 7 will be 17.5. So when you multiply 17.5, oh sorry, it's 19.5. 7 plus 12 will be 19, 19.5 into 10 into 11, when you multiply we get 214.5 centimeter square. So therefore hence total surface area of a toy equals 214.5 centimeter square. Centimeter square is the answer. The volume of a sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. Find the curved surface area of a sphere. So we know that volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And the given volume is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. So comparing the equation 1 and 2, we can write that as 4 by 3 pi r cube will be equal to 539 divided by 3 pi 39. So yeah, 3 and 3 get cancelled. So you get 4 and pi value will be 22 by 7. R cube equals 539. So here R cube will be 539 into 7 divided by 22 into 4. So if you cancel 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 49, 9 carry, 11 9s are 49. So you can write that as R3 is equals to 7 into 7 into 7 and 4 into 4 into 4. That is not, 2 into 2 into 2. So here we can write that as R cube is equals to 7 by 2 whole cube. Cube and cube get cancelled. So the value of R will be 7 by 2. So they're asking you to find the surface area. So what's the formula for surface area? The surface area of a sphere, surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So 4 pi is 22 by 7 and r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 and 7 cancel. 2 1 time, 2 11 times. 2 1 time, 2 2 times. We get 2 into 11 into 7. So it will be 2 into 77. That is nothing but 4 and 152 centimeters square. So